Welcome back. Let me take the car outside so you can see the door jambs out in the sun. Now get back. There you go, you saw it outside. Looks real nice. All I gotta do is just sand it down, have it ready for that candy. Here you go, guys. All these parts are also ready. The doors from the inside are ready, sanded, primered. The trunk lid, the hood, everything's ready. But there is a problem. What is the problem? There you go. It's 63 degrees right now. And maybe it's not that cold for you, but for us here in Texas, it's a little cold. And it's cold for me to paint. I really don't like to paint when it's below 70. Let me tell you why. One of the main reasons I don't paint when it's cold is I don't have a paint booth. Okay? And when it's cold, I don't have a heater. I can't heat up the car whenever the paint has been applied. And you have more risks of the paint to run. I don't want to do that. I cannot afford to do that. Okay? Yes, you can use fast hardeners, fast reducers, and you'll be okay. Yes, there's people that paint around with this temperature all the time. But for myself, from my experience, where I'm at, it's not worth it. It's not worth it for me. It's not worth it for the customer. So I ain't going to do it. Second reason. There's a lot of wind coming from the north. Okay? This side of the garage is facing kind of north. So all the wind is coming inside. This is where I extract the overspray. It's not going to happen. It's not going to get extracted because of the wind coming inside. That's number 2. Number 3 is I do not have the products for the fast hardeners, fast reducers, and all that as of right now. And I am not going to buy extra material if I already have the material for this car. I'll just wait for a couple of days for it to get good condition, and I'll just paint it. Alright? That's the 3 reasons I don't do it. You might be able to do it. Hey, by all means, go ahead. So what I'm going to do in order for me not to leave you without a video this weekend, I'm just going to answer a couple of questions that were frequently asked on my channel, and hope you pick up something good from them. Alright, let's get started with the first question. Question number 1 was, how long do I wait before I pull off the tape from the car once it's been painted? I wait from 6 to 8 hours. No more than that. Reason being is that you're going to lift the paint if you pull it too soon. You're going to lift the paint if you pull it too late. Okay, there's a line right there in between where the tape needs to come off. And that's around the time that I do it. 6 to 8 hours. Question number 2 was, how much flake did I use on the entire car, inside and out? It's gonna be 2 pounds. 2 pounds of metal flake. That's how much flake I used. It all depends on you. The customer wanted a completely filled metal flake car. That's the reason I used 2 pounds of metal flake. But if you don't like it that much, you can use less. But it all depends on you. But for this car, for this project, it was 2 pounds of metal flake. Another question is, a lot of people want to know, how long does a job like this take from start to finish? This job can take about 3 to 4 weeks working on it straight. The thing is, I do have a full-time job. I just work on these cars on the weekends, so it might take a little bit longer. but if you work on it straight, it could take about 3 weeks. Another question I've been asked, why aren't you using Grand 7 clear anymore? One reason, it's out of stock. But I just got notified from Grand 7, they're back in stock. I'll be ordering some clear from them. So if you've been waiting for that clear, guys, it's back in stock. Go to the website, you can get it now. All right, that's one of the reasons. Another question is, what size tip of guns did you use to shoot the metal flake? I used 2 different types, one on the outside and one on the inside, different. Reason being, I wanted to test out both of them. Okay, and one of them was the Ani Silver. This was a 1.9 tip. This is what I used inside, which gave me a perfect result, a great result. The other one was from Avalon A1000, and this was a 2.0 tip. Okay, that's what I used for the entire car outside. Why? It's just preference. I just wanted to see the difference as to how each one of them sprayed on tip sizes, and they both did exactly the same thing. So they're the 2 guns that I use for the metal flake. All these products, guys, I'm gonna leave the description and all the information in the description below, so you can go and look them up. Another question is, the sealer that you applied in the car, is it 1K or 2K? It's a 2K sealer. Okay, it does have activator, hardener, whatever you want to call it. It does have it. It is a 2K sealer. It's from Eurochem. Never had any issues with it, so I'm just going to continue using it. The final question that was asked is, why are you using intercoat clear and not regular clear? Intercoat clear, it's going to be a lot easier for you to apply the metal flake. Reason being, you have a lot less chance for it running. A lot less chance. That's one of the reasons you use intercoat clear on metal flakes, on pearls, all those. It's a lot better, guys. It dries like if it was paint, so it's not going to continue drying for a while. Now, if you can use clear, I am not saying you can't. You can. I actually use clear on the inside because I ran out of the intercoat clear for the outside. From the outside, so I did use intercoat clear on the inside, but it's a little bit harder. Reason being is that you're prone to have runs if you don't let it set for 15-20 minutes in between each coat. So it's a lot easier and a lot quicker with the intercoat clear. I do recommend it. If you've never used it, I do recommend it. Use it. And this will be it, guys. This will be it for this video. If you have any questions or something I didn't cover here, put them in the comments. Put them in the comments below. I read every single comment, guys. Put them in the comments, and I'll probably do another video, another Q&A. All right, so thank you. I hope you guys are staying safe. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit that thumbs up. It helps a lot, guys. And follow me on Instagram. I do have an Instagram channel page. I'm going to leave it in the description below. Follow me on Instagram. This will be it. All right. This will be it, guys. Thank you. Like always, God bless.